Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and for today I'm going to review a product from So Natural, and this is the Red Peel Tingle Serum. So this wash-off type serum, nakalagay siya sa frosted bottle with dropper applicator, and yung content niya is maroon in color, and meron siyang scent na parang berry. So how do we use the serum? So using the dropper applicator, lalagay lang natin siya sa mukha natin. There. And we apply it in circular motion. So imamassage lang natin siya sa mukha natin until ma-cover na yung entire face. After natin siyang ma-massage, I'll let it stay until ma-absorb siya ng skin, and then babanlawan ko na siya with running water. After nating banlawan, pag tinouch mo yung face mo, mapapansin mo na mas smooth siya. And during yung application, dun sa areas na meron akong pimples, ito, dito, medyo mahapdi siya. Pero after, ayan na. Ganda. Parang ang lambot niya na, and mas smooth siyang tignan. So, you can get this peeling serum from Sol Uni online, and it's 1,580 per bottle. But do check their website frequently kasi madalas sila magbigay ng mga discount. And that would be it for today. I'll be back for another review. Please subscribe to my channel to know the latest in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Only here at iampinkikay's World.